Hello and welcome back to the CookHub. Today let's make quick and delicious prawns roast that is full of flavor, perfect as a side dish for rice or roti. Here are the list of ingredients required for this recipe. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add in the mustard seeds and let them splutter. Now, to this add in finely or roughly chopped onions and salt to taste and let this saute until the onions looks translucent. Once the onions look translucent, you can add in crushed ginger and garlic and saute this until the raw smell is gone. Now add in some fresh curry leaves and saute this for a minute. Now add in 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of hing. Give this all a good mix and let this sit between low to medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes or once the raw smell of the dry spices is gone, you can lastly add in the tomato puree or some grated tomatoes. Give this all a good mix and let this sit between low to medium flame for 5 minutes or until the oil is separated. You can also add in a little water to this mixture. Cover this with a lid and let this cook completely until the oil is separated, stirring it occasionally. Now, lastly, add in some cooked prawns and mix them well with the masala. Cook on low heat for just 2 to 3 minutes to blend the flavors. If you are using fresh prawns, then add them and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are well cooked. Finally, you can garnish it with some coriander leaves and cook it again for 1 to 2 minutes without covering it with a lid. Our prawn roast is now ready to be served. Enjoy this flavorful dish with rice or roti. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the CookHub.